In breaking news overnight, Donald Trump has issued an executive order to keep the prison open at the US military's Guantanamo Bay base. In his State of the Union address last night, the US president spoke about the prospect of additional prisoners being sent to the facility in Cuba. This decision is a major reversal of Barack Obama's policy. Live now to Washington, where we can talk to Kate Fisher. Morning, Kate. And this aspect of his speech, unexpected, wasn't it?
It was. There was the odd rumour around, but certainly this is one of the biggest headlines coming out of this speech over here in the United States. It's that controversial military prison where terror suspects are detained without charge. Barack Obama tried to close it down during his presidency, but he failed to do so. Other parts of Trump's speech were more optimistic in tone, though, and he did try in parts to cross that divide.
Donald Trump stuck to the auto cue and struck an official tone, but he was still keen to reverse more of Barack Obama's policies.
Today, I'm keeping another promise to keep open the detention facilities in Guantanamo Bay.
Declaring a new American moment, he trumpeted claims of economic success to an estimated audience of 40 million.
We enacted the biggest tax cuts and reforms in American history.
Trump offered compromise on immigration, offering to let so-called dreamers, migrants who entered the US as undocumented children, stay in the country in exchange for a border wall with Mexico.
Tonight, I am extending an open hand to work with members of both parties to protect our citizens of every background, color, religion, and creed.
He also spoke of a campaign of maximum pressure on North Korea. His message was one of unity, but not everyone was convinced. While Republicans stood to applaud him, Democrats showed that Trump's America remains deeply divided. Kate Fisher, Good Morning Britain, Washington.